Vietnam has a wide variety of food experiences to try, so this is an overview. First, a restaurant where sexy ladies drink with you and hand serve you seafood.
We need this in Australia. Prawn pillars. I don't know. Not bad.
I have to admit, I don't know how to use chopsticks. It's 2022, it's time to use advanced technology known as knives and forks.
Professional. Professional. Real men drink with a straw.
Then I put my chopstick skills to the test.
Oh, look at that! Hey! Traditional Vietnamese dish.
Our friend did tip them generously for this, but the service was epic and so freshly cooked, and the seafood top quality. A unique experience I would definitely recommend.
Yeah, it's great.
Hopefully the tip helps them to afford skirts that are the right size. Next we have egg coffee.
Cafe Trung.
Yeah, cafe, coffee, and trứng is egg. Okay? This is coffee.
Alright, moment of truth.
Yeah, and then no.
Oh,
You have to be slowly and try the spoon first.
So I stir it?
Yes.
Like
And then
this?
try, yeah, and then
Whoa.
one spoon. It's not.
Like this?
Yes. And then taste.
As in, I go like that?
Yeah. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
Sweet. It's a
It's
little
very
bit so
sweet.
sweet. Yes.
Struggling to finish this thing. It's
Okay.
spooning it is so hard. It's so sweet too. There's not that much egg taste to me.
I would not recommend it, worth a try for the novelty, but it sucked. Next we have my favorite experience. I went to McDonald's and ordered a large nuggets meal with Coke, and what I got was... So I went to Burger King.
Burger King to the rescue. Eating more local cuisine.
Known as Church's Chicken in the US.
See how this chicken is. Very good.
Next we have the traditional Vietnamese fast food known as Paris Baguette.
Trialing the local cuisine. Good. All of this costs less than 2 coconuts. Paris baguette. That's really good actually. Hawaiian pizza pastry. Unique. So not Hawaiian. No, it is Hawaiian. It kind of does taste exactly what it sounds like. Hawaiian pizza in a pastry. Sadly, that was the only flavor they had, but definitely worth trying.
Next we have a Northern Viet Cong themed cafe chain. For some reason the croissant, like my nuggets, came with a side of milk.
And the idea of croissant with the milk. The croissant or the drink? Moment of truth. Professional croissant eater.
I had a coconut coffee, and I have to say that coconut coffee is my favorite thing in Vietnam. Next we have traditional banh mi.
Ham, and that one.
It's a meat.
What kind of meat?
Pork.
Pork. Okay, I'll go pork.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much? 30. Pricey. Famous banh mi. Moment of truth.
Yeah.
Set high expectations.
Ooh. Yummy.
Next, a small local pizza chain called Pizza Hut. I was starving this day and ate it all in a minute, and there were locals watching freaked out.
A little vibrating. Ooh.
Next, some street food. A Vietnamese spring roll, very tasty. Street pizza was cool, but the choice of flavors was not to my liking.
Oh wow.
You have the soda.
The next drink changed my life. I genuinely have lost sleep thinking about it since.
Thank you. How do I even? What is this?
That is a coffee.
Okay, so the coffee is separate to the.
Yeah, you mix it there.
So I tip it in.
Yeah.
Coconut coffee. Wow.
Now drinks.
Yeah, it's good.
So you feel the coconuts?
Yeah, definitely. You can definitely taste the coconut.
Yeah, it's really sweet.
Great. I love it.
I told you.
This chain is the Vietnamese version of Starbucks, and they give you shots. Sugar shots. Shots.
Imagine doing shots of this. That one actually was the best so far. What? Really? For one reason. Because of the sugar shots, they didn't just put the sugar in and it wasn't overly sugary. So it was actually, yeah, not pure sugar like half the places.
Next, an Australian chain. Will it be the same as at home?
All very bang. No bang for you.
Apple juice, soda. Yeah, maybe mango.
Can't get a bang. John. Look at the name on this thing. Mr. John. How's yours? Better than Australia or?
Very mango-y.
Moment of truth. Tastes absolutely nothing like the Australian one. Like absolutely nothing, but not in a bad way. I'm saying it's very different.
We couldn't do a food review without visiting the Colonel.
Follow the sign. You're fine.
Ah, the moment of truth.
Yeah.
Maybe taste the hot night.
Thoughts?
13 special Coconut Splash. 13.
12, isn't it? Maybe they added 13th in the yeah. Or 11, maybe even. I don't know.
The extra 2 Vietnamese are good.
Better?
Same as that.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Like, subscribe, comment, and watch another video.